In this video, I will show you how you can find your lost Samsung tablet. Now, if you have lost your Samsung tablet and if you want to find it, so in this video, I will show you how you can do this. Now, for that, you will need another device. Now, the other device can be a smartphone or your computer. But before we start, I would like to say that this method will only work if you have enabled Find My Mobile on your tablet. Now, to enable Find My Mobile, just go to Settings, then tap on Security and Privacy, and from here just select Lost Device Protection. Then tap on Find My Mobile and make sure that all the Find My Mobile features has been enabled on your tablet. If you have enabled all these features before you have lost your tablet, then you can follow the steps mentioned in this video. Now the first step is, on your other device, just open the web browser app. Now in the search bar, just search this. Then open this website. Now from here, just sign into your Samsung account. Just tap on Sign In. Now just enter the same Samsung account which is signed into on your tablet. After you enter your Samsung account, then tap on Next. Tap on Sign In with Google and select Use Another Account. Now just enter your lock screen PIN or pattern. Now just sign into your email account. Then tap on Next. Now just enter the password of your email address. After that, just tap on Next and tap on I agree. Now after you complete the sign-in process, now just go back to the website and tap on Sign In with Google. From here, just select your email account. And as you can see, we have successfully signed into our Samsung account. Now after you arrive on this page, then tap on Continue and select Agree. Now from here, you will be able to find your lost Samsung device. Now if you tap on the name of your Samsung tablet over here, then tap on More. As you can see, you have the option to track the location of your lost tablet. Just tap on Start. As you can see, it has started tracking our tablet. As you can see, it has given us the location of our Samsung tablet. And this is how you can find your lost Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.